Hello, Kendria LaFleur here. I'm near the intersection of Cameron and Ambassador Caffery, where there has been some damage from the weather. It over and show you guys what it looks like. There was some strong winds that caused some damage near the intersection of Ambassador Caffery Parkway and Cameron Street. Now, several power lines are down and a building has been damaged. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see. The Lafayette Sheriff's Office is on scene and they're diverting traffic. They're asking you to avoid this area while they work on this right now. Again, this was from the strong winds because of the weather. And a power line has been knocked down, a building has been damaged, and police are currently working the scene right now. They're asking you to not travel down this area, avoid it if you can, take an alternate route. And this is what traffic looks like. It's at a standstill right now, so some people are turning around to take a different route so they don't have to pass right here. Again, police are asking you to avoid this area because they're currently working this scene right now and trying to clear up the debris that's on the road.